We'll guide you through how to change text overlay in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to enhance their images by adding stylish and colorful text in Adobe Photoshop. It helps beginners understand how to apply text overlays for posters, social media, or design projects. Many users need simple guidance to achieve professional-looking results without advanced design skills. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button. Type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar. When it appears, click Open. Next, click File, then click Open to import your image. Select your image, then click Open. After that, click the Type Tool T from the left toolbar. Click on the canvas and type your text. In the Layers panel, make sure your text layer is selected. To change the text overlay, right-click the text layer. Then select Blending Options. In the Layer Style window, check Color Overlay. Click the color box, then choose your desired color. Click OK to apply the color. You can also adjust blend mode and opacity for different effects. Click OK again to apply all changes. The text overlay will now appear on your image. Alternatively, you can click the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then choose Color Overlay from the list. Select your preferred color, then click OK. Make sure you preview the changes as you adjust the settings so you can see how the color affects your text in real time. If needed, experiment with different colors to find the most suitable appearance for your design. You can repeat the same steps to modify other text layers in your project. Always confirm that the correct layer is selected before applying any effects to avoid editing the wrong element. If you want to refine the look further, revisit the Blending Options menu and tweak the settings again. This method allows you to quickly create visually appealing text overlays without complicated tools. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can proceed to save your work. Click File, then choose Save as to keep a copy of your edited image. Choose the desired file format and location, then click Save to finish the process. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your text overlay is applied correctly and consistently. This workflow is simple and effective for beginners who are learning how to use Photoshop tools. With practice, you will become faster at navigating the interface and applying layer styles.